Have you ever wondered why we buy more of something when it goes on sale? That is the law of demand in action. Demand represents the quantity of a good that consumers are willing and able to purchase at various price points. The core rule is simple. When prices go up, demand goes down. When prices drop, demand usually rises. It is not just about price. Your income, the cost of alternatives, and even current trends influence how much you buy. While demand looks at the buyer's perspective, supply looks at the producer. Together, they determine the market price of goods. Economists visualize this with a downward sloping curve. It maps how consumer behavior shifts as prices move along the line. Understanding this concept helps you recognize why prices fluctuate and how market forces shape the items you buy every day. Thanks for watching. Understanding these basics is the first step toward better financial literacy. Subscribe for more simple explanations.